In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add order bumps in GoHighLevel. Start by signing into your account and opening your company dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head to Payments, then open the Products area. We'll first create the product that will become the bump offer, because an order bump must reference an existing product in your account. Click Create Product and give your product a clear, benefit-focused title your buyers will instantly understand at checkout. Select one time as the pricing type, since bump offers are typically quick add-ons. Enter the amount you want to charge. Set your currency. I'll use USD in this example. If you'd like, add a compare it price to show a discount and highlight the value of the bump. That strike-through price can increase conversions by making the deal feel like a no-brainer. When everything looks good, click Save. Next, go to Sites and open your existing funnel. I'll use a sales funnel for this walkthrough. Inside the funnel, open the order form step, the page where customers enter their details and complete payment. This is exactly where your order bump will appear, usually as a small checkbox near the payment fields. Inside that order form step, go to the Products tab and click Add Product. Choose the product you just created, for example, Social Media Management if that's the add-on you're offering, and select the correct price from your product's pricing options. Now click Additional Options, then enable Bump Product. An order bump is a small, frictionless upsell presented right before purchase. It's meant to complement the main offer, boost average order value, and require only a single click to add. Keep the bump's headline and description concise, outcomes-focused, and clearly tied to the main product. Think Add X to get Y result faster, rather than long feature lists. Click Save to confirm these changes. To make the bump live, open the Publishing tab and click Update Step. That publishes your latest edits to the funnel. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure your payment gateway is connected and in live mode before sending traffic. Preview the order form and add the bump to verify totals update correctly, and position your bump as a logical enhancement to the core offer, priced as an easy yes. That's it. You've added an order bump in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.